nice job, man.
Thank you.
That's pretty loud for a car build. Have you metered it?
Yeah, I did 159. All three combined score 159. But the first meter I did, it was a 157.
Awesome. Congrats. Pretty good. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Sorry, I'm just getting video. Nice. Are you demoing it at all? Can I get a demo? You're gonna have to push the seat. I'm holding it. Oh, it's that one. Never mind. Woo. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Yeah, Baley. I got 6 HDX 312s, 2 MD8Ks. Autotech 270, 45 amp hour, Cmax.
Okay. Very nice. Does this help a lot with the flex?
Yeah. I blew this windshield already once.
Really? Oh man.
Yeah.
What is it tuned to spec wise on the?
Around 32.
Okay.
Where'd you come from?
Savannah, Georgia. About 5.5 hours. Have you metered it?
Yeah, I did 159. All three combined score 159. But the first meter I did, it was a 157.
Awesome. Congrats. Pretty good. Are you happy with it yet?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Love it. Once I get I got a different alternator to put in there. Once I get more Cmax in there, it'll be.
Yeah. Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Baley system. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. He was showcasing his system at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. For this video, he's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo. Shout out to you. You did a really good job. I'm looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. I really like the way he optimized his space in his cabin. So he didn't have exactly at the B-pillar. He had a little bit of gap back so he could put his seats back a little farther, and you can see the way he stack fabbed the subwoofer box in a way with the front baffle so that port isn't exactly slotted. It has an angular circle to it, so it kind of gives you more optimal port area. Really hard to do that, but that's what he did to make it work to fit 612s in here. Since he's running 3 subwoofers per amplifier, he was able to wire the amplifier a little lower than the 1 ohm mark most likely, so either 0.7 or 1.3. I wish I would have asked him what it was wired to, but I'm just going to assume it's at 0.7 ohm. The subwoofers are rated for 2,000 watts RMS, and he's definitely giving him all of that power and juice when he turns it up all the way. That second song he was playing, I thought he was going to crack the windshield for how loud it got. I always get asked if I should go driver port or center port. In this case scenario, he went driver port. Usually that's best and most optimal if you're trying to get as loud as possible on the passenger, opposite of the port, and loudest for SPL. So if you haven't already, subscribed for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this 2-song bass demo. Nice job, man.
Thank you.
That's pretty loud for a car build. Have you metered it?
Yeah, I did 159. All three combined score 159. But the first meter I did, it was a 157.
Awesome. Congrats. Pretty good. Are you happy with it yet?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Love it. Once I get I got a different alternator to put in there. Once I get more Cmax in there, it'll be.
Yeah.
It'll
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. You have a good day. Thank you for showing me, man. Sounds really good.
Thank you.
There we go. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.